A live shopping experience is a unique way to sell products and services. We can do this by creating an online shopping experience that allows people to buy and sell products directly from the comfort of their homes. Even though a considerable percentage of people prefer to shop online, with up to 88% of clients who visit the site with a bad user experience are more likely to avoid that site in the future. What is a good user experience? For a user interface to be termed as good, it has to bear the following features: simplicity, usability, and visual aesthetics. Before we jump into the tips for creating an exclusive online shopping experience, make sure you follow us and hit the bell button so you get all the updates from us in the future. So here are some tips to help you create an exclusive online shopping experience. Reduce page load time. In this era, slow web page load time tends to be a significant threat to web shop across the globe. This is because according to the latest stats, 27% of online users only wait for about 1 to 2 seconds for a website to load. If the load time surpasses this time, most of these users will bounce the site, which means they will exit even before it loads. For e-commerce sites, this means your potential client will not see what you have to offer. Therefore, they will not purchase anything from your site. Consequently, you should optimize your website to reduce its load time. Doing so will minimize the bouncing and give you an upper hand against your competition. Utilize cross-selling strategies. Cross-selling involves giving clients suggestions for complementary services or products with every item they purchase or browse. For this tip, you can utilize the following: product bundles, discount offers, recommendations. Moreover, you can go overboard by utilizing artificial intelligence to learn about your customer's pattern and behavior. You can then use this information to provide an excellent suggestions to your clients. Doing so can help clients avoid searching for related products, which will in turn keep your clients on your page longer. Incorporate shoppable videos. When shopping online, clients want to learn as much as possible about the product in the shortest time possible. Moreover, they want to make purchases fast. Shoppable videos, which are simply marketing videos with embedded links, offer these two features simultaneously. When shopping using shoppable videos, clients only have to view the marketing video, which highlights the features of various products. They can click on the links embedded in the products in the video to access them and purchase it. You can feature shoppable videos to make your site's user experience more seamless. Personalize. Personalizing your website can boost its UX by a significant margin. Moreover, the process of personalization is relatively simple. All you have to do to elevate your site's personalization is provide a feature that uniquely helps you respond to unique user queries. To achieve this feat, you can utilize the following information: location details, client feedback, reviews, product research, complaints, and browsing history. With this information, you can easily tailor unique replies to your clients each time. Boost response time. What sets online shopping apart from in-store shopping is mostly convenience. Clients want to shop faster, gain access to multiple products at once, and most of all, when they require assistance, they hope they will get it quickly. Your customer service system should be efficient and responsive. Customer service operators should only keep clients on hold for a short time. Making them hold longer time will raise frustration, which will in turn lower your site's user experience points as per your client. Moreover, you can also incorporate a live chat feature on your site to help clients in need. Doing so will help customer service operators offer immediate feedback to clients. And also, you can use this feature to gain feedback in real time from clients. Self-service. Online shoppers are pretty savvy, so the user experience is a crucial factor that can either bring in more clients or repel them from your site. Unfortunately, most people who have websites or web shop still make clients to navigate to help desk or customer service feature. However, to handle this problem, you should generate a knowledge base that customers can utilize to address the issues independently. Live selling. Live selling offers retailers the opportunity to showcase their goods via live stream. The live stream can be via social media platform or in our case via retailer's website. Using live selling, you interact with your clients in real time as they do live shopping. During this time, you can gain a lot of feedback from your customers via live chat. Moreover, to make the experience even more fun, you can involve games and promotion during the live event. Stats show that live selling bears a conversion range around 70% when selling luxury goods. Moreover, specialists expect live selling to generate approximately 17 billion USD in USA alone. Therefore, if you wish to boost your site's user experience and score more profits, you should try live selling. Alright, here are my key takeaways. Generating an exclusive online shopping experience for an e-commerce website is a challenging feat to accomplish. However, achieving it will in turn boost your e-commerce site immensely. Statistics show that by investing $1 into your user experience, your site will increase profit by $100. Moreover, an exclusive online user experience for e-commerce will boost customers' retainment. Therefore, consider investing in improving your site's user experience. If you found the video informative, please give us a like and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Until next time, this is Danny here from G Ask.